What's up, guys? Welcome to my first cooking video. So when you're just lounging in your backyard having some fun in the pool and you want something cool, something refreshing, something to make your body go, ah, summer's good. Well, you guys can make popsicles with fruit if you want, popsicle molds in the word, and some fruit juice. The juice we're using is pineapple starfruit. Let's get to it. So the first thing you're gonna do is add a little fruit. And you can do this with any fruit you want, but I'm using strawberries, blackberries, and raspberries. Add a little fruit, not too much. And then add some juice. Be very careful not to spill any. You can get the juice and the fruit at your local grocery store. Perfect. And then add a little more fruit. And that's how you do it. Now I'm just gonna do this on the other floor and then we'll put it in the freezer. You know what? I'm gonna add a little more juice so it can stick to the stick right. Okay, that might be a little too much. Okay, and it kind of takes some work to get these on, so if you do this at home, do not get frustrated because it kind of takes a little work. Let's take these sunglasses off. Okay. Put some fruit in. Because that one was mostly strawberry, I'm gonna find some blackberries and raspberries. And it's okay if they get defrosted. That just means it's working. Please don't. Perfect. I added enough juice, maybe a little more than the other one. No, that's a little less. I'm gonna add a little tad more. Just like that much. That's a lot. Okay. And I'm wearing an apron, so if I do get anything on my apron, it won't get onto my clothes and stain them. Okay, so after a little time, I put that back on. And let's just keep on doing the same thing. But this time I'm going to... Sticky. This is very sticky. That's, I think, enough fruit. Yeah, enough. Okay, that juice looks really yummy. Perfect. Please don't spill. Sometimes they might come undone in the freezer, but you can just put them right back on. Okay, let's put the rest of this fruit. You don't need the fruit juice, you just need the fruit. You just need the fruit. That's overflowed. The blue one's mine. Okay. Perfect. Now let's put these puppies in the freezer. Hi guys, so I've been waiting almost 24 hours. You know how long that is? It's like a day and a half. Yeah, so I've been waiting almost 24 hours to eat these beauties, these popsicles.
Bruh.
And now I get to eat them. I'm picking the blue one. Let's try to get this out. It's like putting a sword out of a rock in a fairy tale. Shring. Ooh, I can't wait to try it. I'm speechless. This is so yummy. It's like better than Otter Pops. Everybody loves Otter Pops. I love Otter Pops. But these are better. Better. So much better. And I want to eat this every day. I have 4 more. 3. This is the best thing I've ever tasted. And the colors are beautiful. 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 And I love it. It's like, it's heaven. Heaven. That's what it is. It tastes like heaven. I cannot stop. Okay, so this is the best thing I've ever had. I'm giving one to my dad and my mom. This is the best thing I've ever had. I cannot stop eating. Eating. Okay, bye guys. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and set your notifications so you get notified every time I post a new video. Okay, bye.